I just went to Walmart and I found this book. And it's by Alex Astor. It just came out. And guess what? Let's do an unboxing. It was the last one. One-handed fails. Here it is. Here's the book. This is the Grimm side, and this is the Oro side. This is what the side looks like. This is literally nothing. But if I pull out the book, Grimm's, Oros, the sprayed edges. Look at this. The sprayed edges. It's like bleeding into each other. And the M paper? This is Grimm's side, I'm assuming. And this is Oro's side. Now, okay. Does it all go one way? Oh, no. Okay, it is flipped. I figured it would be. The book is flipped. So, if you want to read a Grimm side of the story, it's this way. But it's upside down this side. So you have to go and read it this way. I'm so excited to read it. Not joking. I will do a review of this book. So excited. Bye.